Nature always contains many mysteries, causing us to search for answers to extremely strange and confusing phenomena. What makes them feel scary and mysterious is the diversity and terrible power of nature. Let's grab yourself a cup of coffee and join Yellow TV to explore in this video. Let's get it on. You think they're just washing the streets? Nope. Mother Nature decided to roll out the world's biggest hose. After a massive earthquake, Kisinuma, Japan, got an uninvited guest, a tsunami that gave the city a refresh it definitely didn't ask for. Guess that's one way to keep the streets clean. Stay safe, folks. Driving through a sandstorm in Al Qurayat feels like a scene from Mad Max. Visibility drops to zero, and your car is about to get an unexpected sand interior. Blue skies, white snow, and a touch of sunshine. Sounds perfect, right? But don't be fooled. Who knew winter could be so extreme? Hang in there, fluffy warriors. When Italy says surprise, they really mean it. This hailstorm turned the streets into an icy wonderland, Mother Nature's version of confetti. Rock slide or action movie? This boulder clearly didn't get the memo about staying off the road. Time to call the insurance. Nature just dropped in unexpectedly. Switzerland just turned into a giant snow globe. Hope you packed a shovel because digging out might take a while.
Gente, eu tô nervoso, olha lá.
Looks like someone hit pause on the sky. Ever wondered what a skyquake looks like? Now you know. Nature's special effects team nailed it. Mumbai just got a surprise dust storm makeover. If this keeps up, we might need to rename the city to Dusty City. When Mother Nature decides to throw a hail party, everyone's invited, ready or not. Better keep those helmets handy, it's going to be a bumpy ride. China just got an extreme makeover. Tornado edition. When life spins you around like this, you can't help but laugh after you've found cover. Looks like Georgia's getting a surprise spin class. When a tornado shows up uninvited, all you can do is hold on tight and enjoy the ride from a safe distance. Who needs an open office plan when an earthquake gives your workspace an instant remodel? Copa really shook things up. Those waves look like they're auditioning for a blockbuster movie, but don't worry, locals know this is just a typical day by the sea. It's nature's way of reminding us to pack a bigger umbrella and maybe reconsider that oceanfront parking spot. Mount Etna never fails to put on a show, and this eruption is no exception. With a colossal ash cloud towering over Catania, even the airport had to take a timeout. It's almost as if Etna decided to give everyone a break from their travel plans, because who wouldn't want front row seats to nature's fireworks? Well, that dam sure couldn't hold its water. Guess it was time for nature's free water park in Texas. Her roads got a new look, courtesy of Mother Nature's rain makeover. Where streets once stood, now it's all about that waterfront lifestyle. Tornadoes on the move, nature's wild dance party. Holy smokes, look at that. It's like the tornado just couldn't resist joining the camping trip, and now it's playing a game of who can toss the tents the highest. Just hope the sleeping bags don't end up in the next county. Whoa, talk about a windy day. The wind from Hurricane Beryl is giving everything a wild ride, leaves flying everywhere, and those palm trees in the distance are doing their best impersonation of a yoga pose. It's like the whole scene is caught in a high-speed hairdryer.
It's really bad, really bad. Ivan was nothing like.
Nature decided it was time for a little mountain makeover. Watch as the Badrinath Highway gets a spontaneous rock shower. Luckily, the road wasn't in use, so no harm, no foul, just a spectacular show of nature flexing its muscles. Looks like this tree just got a VIP ticket to nature's fireworks show. Think you spotted a shooting star? Guess again. This fiery streak in the sky is actually space debris making its grand exit. Who knew cosmic litter could put on such a dazzling show? It's like the universe just couldn't resist one last curtain call. He said calm, when the skies over Adana decided to go full apocalypse mode, it started with a storm that could give a horror movie a run for its money.